Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ida Shahira Abdullah, the owner of the Nachtisch Brownies Enterprise. There are currently 4 employees under the company, including me. They are the financial management, marketing management, production management, and administrative management. The main product by the business are brownies. Here I have 2 examples of brownies produced by my company, which is the strawberry flavor and Oreo flavor. The Nachtisch Brownies target market are people from Segamat from the age of 17 to 50 years old. This is due to the reason that teenagers tend to buy more sweet dishes for specific occasions, such as using the business products such as birthday cake or birthday gift, or to celebrate certain events such as engagement day. While for the older people, they are buying the product to satisfy their craving for something sweet. The Nachtisch Brownies Enterprise also has done its research towards the current problem faced by the current brownie trends and realized that most of the brownies in the market are the same, identical with one another, which is the brownies produced are 100% chocolate-based brownies with a little bit of chocolate slices sprinkled on top of it. No doubt, the taste was perfect and delicious, but somehow it has become too boring to consume. Therefore, the Nachtisch Brownies Enterprise has come to a conclusion to make a different type of brownies. Instead of a regular chocolate brownies, the Nachtisch Brownies decide to combine the taste of chocolate with different flavors such as strawberry, grapes, cream cheese, and others. This is done not by mixing it together with the batter. However, the business will put it as a fillings. Here, the example is the strawberry fillings and orange fillings. This is the specialty of the Nachtisch Brownies Enterprise, where the company will cut the freshly baked brownies into 2 sections, the upper sections here and the lower section here. Both sections will be separated for a while. Later on, a fillings will be placed on top of the lower sections. After a certain amount of fillings has been put, the upper layer will be placed back. So for example, here inside is the fillings, and then it's an upper sections. This one is the lower section. Then the business will proceed with choosing the topping. Regarding the market size, the average market price taken from the 3 main competitors resulted in the price of 11 ringgit for the average market price in Segamat. The 50% of customer consume are roughly estimated and be multiplied by the population in Segamat, which is 179,342 people. The amount then be multiplied with the average market price of 11 ringgit that resulted in the market size in Segamat. As for the market share, the company believes that we will be able to take over 30% market share by going against these 3 main competitors in the Segamat market. Currently, the business are focusing on market on people in Segamat town that hold approximately 80,000 residents. However, we believe that in the next 3 years, the business will be able to expand its market to the whole Segamat districts that are calculated to have around 179,000 people. As for the competitive advantages that the business has, we would like to mention about our pricing strategy. The business discovered that most of the price offered in the market is pricey and expensive. Therefore, the company decided to make a brownies that is cheaper than the market to ensure that everyone can get a bite of delicious brownies. By doing so, we believe that the business will be able to compete with the competitors in the market, as most of the customer behavior is to buy products at a lower price. Besides that, we are putting the best effort in deciding the best marketing strategies, such as customers can choose the product size based on their budget. Thus, customers can fulfill their craving towards brownies based on how much money they had at the moment. The minimum is 10 ringgit and the maximum price is 20 ringgit. Furthermore, the company also provides delivery service. By doing so, customers can still consume the sweet and freshly baked brownies without the feelings of troublesome to go out to purchase it. The Nachtisch Brownies Enterprise use direct channel where customers themselves come to the business places to purchase the product. It doesn't involve the inclusions of an intermediary, and the Nachtisch Brownies get in direct contact with the customers at the point of sales, hence making it easier for them to choose whatever style of brownies they want. As I have mentioned, the business currently have 4 workers, including myself. I, as the owner, also hold the title as Business Financial Management and has a diploma in accountancy. Besides that, I also once worked in foods and beverage industry under franchises and gained 4 years worth of experiences. As for my administrative management, the manager are Normaliana, a degree holder graduated from USM in business management. Thus, the position she held right now is the most suitable with her education course. The next one is the marketing manager, which is Fauziatul Khadijah. she is a degree holder from UDimas. She once been a dropship for a food business and has gained quite a lot of skillful marketing strategies. I believe that this experience will help her in marketing the brownies produced by us. Last one is Nadia, the production manager. Nadia is a degree holder from UiTM. She is the most crucial member in the business as she naturally has an interest in baking since young age and has a lot of useful knowledge in baking. Therefore, these three people play a big roles in company in order to ensure that the Nachtisch Brownies enterprise will run smoothly. Next, there are three main budgets in the business, which is the marketing budget, administration budget, and production budget. In the first year, the marketing budget is quite high as the business need to buy a lot of stuff such as the banner, the signboard, and also for the business grand opening. This situation is the same as the administration budget, as the budget is quite high also because the business need to spend more in acquiring the business assets such as motor vehicles. Lastly is the production budget. The budget are lower than the previous budget as it is focused more on buying the business raw materials. And unfortunately, the overhead cost is quite high and it affects the whole business budget badly. The business are currently working its best to fix this problem. And the next thing I would like to proceed is about the business sales and expenses happens in the business. First year amount of sales amounted to 108,580 ringgit, which is quite impressive. However, it is still not that big to solely cover the whole business expenses. Cost for the goods sold are 9 ringgit and 60 cents per unit. The selling price of 20 ringgit resulted in the profit of 10 ringgit and 40 cents per brownie sold. Thus, all this concludes all my business proposals and presentation. I hope that the audience can understand how the company running its business. That's all from me, the owner of the Nachtisch Brownies enterprise. With that, I rest my presentations. Thank you.